guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kezzia. I hope you're all doing well. Today we're going to be talking about this straight wig, and she is glueless. She's not secured or anything. This wig is from Super Virgin Hair. I'm going to leave all the information for this company in the description box. Stick around for more details about this unit. I am actually really impressed with this unit, but let's go over the specs about it. This is a 5x5 closure wig in the straight texture. It is an HD lace.
Smile.
she is definitely giving HD. So the lace is from here to here roughly, and it did come with a strap. That was why I did decide to just wear it glueless today and do a no baby hair look. Back in the day when I used to make my own wigs, I used to make it with the closure and then wear it like this. Like this was like my go-to. I only started playing around with baby hairs like this past year, and I'm still learning, but I love this classic look with a straight wig. Like I do like sometimes, you know, when the hair, you can see the kind of like more of the hairline and that sort of thing, but like I really do enjoy wearing it like this. It's 150% density, and I think the density is good. Now this hair is so soft, you guys. Like I didn't do like a crazy super sleek flat iron job. There might be some kinks in the back. I think I got it flatter. I did notice a lot of color strands in the wig, and a lot of times people like that because they feel like it is more like virgin hair because it doesn't really have color in it. Like it's not like all jet black or whatnot. But me personally, like I would prefer not to have those strands in there, so I don't have to color the wigs. Most of my wigs I do not color darker, so the wigs that come like this, I pretty much leave them the way that they are if I decide to like hang on to them. Well, really long. It is definitely true to length. I would say it's even a little bit longer than 24 inches. I would say it's definitely true to length. And yeah, the density on it is good. I think if you got this wig, you wouldn't really feel like, oh, it's too thin. It's just enough hair. It does feel thick from, you know, mid shafts to the ends. Pretty impressed with that. This is what the ends look like on the unit. Very healthy looking. And you can see some of those color strands coming through, but we are not mad at it. We're definitely here for it. I'm very picky about my straight wigs. Like I like it to be a certain way, a certain feel, a certain look, a certain smell, everything. And so far I'm really impressed. The lace is matching my skin beautifully. I would feel confident wearing this wig out and not feeling like, oh my god, what if it slips back? It feels like it's not going anywhere. So that is something that I'm definitely loving. I did want to mention this wig did have quite a bit of flyaways, and they are pretty short. Like right here had like flyaways like this short, so I definitely didn't like that because I did have to spray some hairspray on that. I really like this wig, you guys. Really soft, really bouncy, really silky, and I'm gonna leave the information to Super Virgin Hair in the description box for you guys if you want to check them out. I'm really impressed with this wig. I just don't like the flyaways, and I don't like all the colors of brown that I'm seeing. Besides that, it is really good and I would recommend it. I think it's really soft, really pretty, really comfortable. I love the glueless factor. The lace is gorgeous. If you have any questions for me, leave that in the comment section. You guys know I always answer my comments. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn your notifications on so you don't miss out on any future uploads. If that sounds good to you, that sounds like something that you might be into, think about subscribing. I'll catch you guys in another video real soon. Bye for now.